And if we have time, we're gonna take a quick look at the pound Swiss. So if you look at the pound yen, you can see that this is, of course, shows you how weak the pound is, even though the dollar has been knocking at the 84.40 and the Aussie yen has been sitting above the high. This has just been selling off, and the break we had on Wednesday right below the structure, and this is what we did in the grad club. This is the other trade that we took on the grad club. That was the move. We took about 100 and some odd pip that day, and then so we took it short below the structure point. We had the move, and right here on Friday we did trade below the structure of 130.04, and we pushed up and we closed at the 130.40. All what that says to us is, yes, the trend is down. I want to be short the pound yen, but based on its failure to break below the structural point, I might get a short covering rally. So we're not going to jump in either to sell it unless it trades below 130. So my selling point is below 130, so 40 pips away, and my buying point is also clear when I get a clear definition of a move to the upside. So I'm going to have a gap in my buy or sell signal, but my selling point is easy and my structural short is easy. So my selling point, as you see from last week, this is our selling point. No, I'm sorry, it's 130. This was our selling point from last week, so it gave us 200 pips. I mean, that's selling it from 132.02. Now you have 200 pips on that trade. So from this here, our selling point is 130.04. That's our short point. And it is also our structural short point. And it is going to be our short stop too. Okay, so this is our selling point. Now we're going to find our buying point. This here, this is our buying point. We're not going to be buyers unless it gets above 130.83, because this is a good buy. I don't know who was asking me about the market side. Now coming above the market side like this and with this kind of move, okay, the market is telling us something. So we are going to be buyers above 130.83, and if we do, I'm going to put my stop. I have to put it below the market side, so I'm risking 50 pips on that trade. So my stop, my long stop, is going to be 130.35. I'm just 50 pips. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. And my structure long is 132.02. all right, so that is the pound yen, and here is the numbers. We're going to be buyers above 130.83, and if we do, we're going to place our stop below 130.30. I'm risking 50 pips, and my structure short, structure long, I mean to the upside, is the 132.02. I'm going to go short only below 130.04, and if I do, my stop is going to be above 130.04, and my structure short is the 130.04. Okay, so that is the pound yen.